She stood with laughter on her lips, a ribbon twirled between her hands. While others dreamed of wedding scripts, she danced beyond their well-laid plans. No veil for me, no hollow vow, no borrowed love to make me proud. I'll walk where truth alone is found, not where the heart must wear a shroud.